Hi and welcome to episode 21 of SIGNHOUSE TV, and I'll explain why we're outside today of the Blue Rhine headquarters to show you the massive products which are right behind me. So stay tuned. So we're here outside our Blue Rhine headquarters where we just received fresh new stocks of our Plaskolite Acrylic Reels. So I wanted to talk about this product before we put it in. 4.5mm in clear. That's the masking film. It comes with a masking film on it that makes it look like it's not clear, but once you peel away the masking film, it's perfectly clear, optical grade extruded clear acrylic. And the other one is the 4.5mm sign grade Opal, which is great for light boxes or any kind of cut signs, and especially large scale light boxes where you don't want to see any joints. That's the perfect product, which we actually sell more of that and find customers are using the Opal quite a lot more than the clear, especially because of the light box application. And it's a great product for all our acrylic sign making companies or display fabricators or even events companies. As you can see, it's a massive product that's behind me, and it's probably the only product you can get in really long lengths. So the sheet behind me or the reel behind me is 2 meters wide, and it's 100 meters in length in one of these massive rolls. It's completely rolled in there. It's made by the extrusion process at the Plaskolite factory in Ohio, and we get it shipped in the containers just like that. And we have two variants in it. One is Opal and one is clear. And the one right behind me is actually clear. And behind it we have also the Opal product. So the Opal product is ideal for signages where you want to use lengths more than 4 meters, which is our longest length in standard flat sheet. And if you want to go 5-6 meters, obviously you can just order it from us. We sell it by the meter, so that you just tell us I want 8 meters or 8.5 meters, and we charge you by the meter, cut it, and then probably roll it depending on the length that you require and transport it out to you. So obviously, even though it's 100 meters in length in each one of these reels, you have to always consider what is the best transportable length, because if it's obviously more than 12 meters in length, it's going to be very difficult to get it from here to you. So and very unlikely there are applications where you need longer than that. And if you do need longer than that, it's also an option to even just buy one of these reels and then cut it as you need for a project. It's a great product also because it's made in the USA by Plaskolite to their exacting standards for the highest quality of extrusion grade acrylic. It's their sign grade product, so they guarantee it for outdoor durability and outdoor color weathering for up to 10 years, in which we stand by that guarantee as well. And we have a number of applications of customers who use them, and we'd like to get a lot more customers to using this great product, because with some acrylics, especially lower quality acrylics in the market, there's always this fear of discolorations and yellowing, especially in Opal acrylic or clear acrylic. With this, it's 100% guaranteed, 10 years for sure, it'll never discolor, and even beyond that, any degradation will be minor and not noticeable by the normal human eye. So it's a great product that I hope more people will call us, ask us. We have a lot of data sheets and information to get it out to you, but in the general sense, it's still acrylic, and it's extruded acrylic. So with extruded acrylic compared to cast acrylic, you should always know that the machining or cutting and drilling is slightly different. So if the blades have to be changed a bit. So especially if you're using a circular saw, wider teeth in the blades so that the material comes out while you're sawing it. In the drilling, in the CNC bits as well, or drilling bits, you need to have enough space for excess material once you're drilling to come out of the material, so that there's enough space. Otherwise it stays in there, melts, and then starts cracking and causes a lot of other issues. But otherwise the gluing, forming is great, and especially in forming it's ideal actually when you use extruded acrylic, because extruded acrylic has the perfect thickness tolerance throughout. So when we say 4.5mm, wherever you measure it on the sheet is going to be perfectly 4.5mm. And then when you thermoform it, especially like those thermoformable signs in cast acrylic, you can have issues when you make a 3D logo. Certain parts will get even thinner, some will get thicker, and some are prone to damage. With extruded, you have perfect forming throughout the sheet or the form part. So it's a great product for sign makers, display companies again, who want to use this product. It's something that we can even transport to any part of the GCC, as long as, like I said, it's easy, it's a transportable length that we can get it out to you. It's stored right here in our warehouse in DIP. We only keep this in one thickness right now. That's 4.5mm, clear and Opal. And if there are customers who like this product and use a lot, we can think about even adding other thicknesses like 6 millimeter. But we found that 4.5 is the right balance in terms of getting right rigidity for a material that you want to use longer lengths for in signs or backlight light boxes, and at the same time great for multiple applications. So please contact us or one of your branches so we can give you the prices and more information, and hope you'll start using this product very soon.